Let's check out 5 best 100 apps of the month, January. And guys, I just need some support, so drop a like, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And guys, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video after a short intro. The first app in our list is Instapaper, a simple tool to save web pages or articles for reading later. And guys, when we are browsing the internet, we find some cool and interesting articles, but we can't find the time to read those articles. So this app will help us to save those articles for reading in the free time. So just find the articles and save it into the Instapaper, and find some time to access those articles with absolutely ads free. And this app also have some cool features like customizing the layouts, creating folders for articles and much more. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. And guys, next app in our list goes by the name of Skit. This is a simple apps managing app which allows us to see our phone details like connect, security patch, how many and which apps are installed in our device. You can share or extract any users or system application into APK format to share with our friends. And this app provides a huge amount of detailed information, starting from the date of installing and the last update date of the application. And you can also see the list of activities, services and used permission in that particular applications. So this is a great app, so definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. Guys, next we have an app called Access Dots. This app will show a colored indicated dot every time when an app uses camera or the microphone. And in this 2021, there are many spy apps, and even some of our installed apps are using and accessing our camera and the microphone. So it is very important to monitor when any app is our camera is using our accessing our camera and the microphone. So also the dots shown up at the top right corner of the display, and you can also choose the location for the dots to appear on the screen. And finally, this is a small and light app, so just download and install it. Whenever the camera and microphone are being used, this access dot will appear on the screen. So you definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. Hey guys, and before getting into the another app, let me say about my home screen setup. So here I used KWGT from Fuchsia KWGT, and here I used icon packs from Cygnus dark icon pack, and the wallpaper link is given in the description below. So if you like this setup, then kindly check the description and find the link to download this beautiful wallpaper. Guys, next we have a launcher called O Launcher. As you can see here, this launcher is very minimal and you won't find any app icons. You can just see the app names and a small clock at the top right. And the main goal of this app is to keep us more productive and distraction free, so we can focus on the things that actually matters. And by long press on the home screen, we can find some settings like number of apps on the home screen, position of the clock, and some couple of things. And you can find some gestures like this, right and left gestures to open an app. By swiping up, we can access the app drawer, which is very clean without any icons. So if you are looking for a great launcher, minimalistic launcher, then this app is really helpful for you. So check the video description for the app link is given in the description below. And guys, finally we have a game called Line Color 3D. This is an addictive and simplistic game in which you need to paint the road by tapping on the screen and completing the levels. And guys, the levels are very easy in the beginning, but later it will give you frustrating as you going on. So definitely try this app, and app link is given in the description below. Our video best 100 apps of the month January is ended. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos like this. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.